Good morning, children. Today in this class, I am going to start a new lesson, that is minerals and mining. Okay. Before entering into the lesson, we should know the meaning of our title. Okay. Now in this class, I am going to explain about minerals. Okay. Minerals means the things which we can extract from under the layers of the earth. They are called minerals. Okay. The definition for mineral is that the things which we can extract from under layers of earth. Okay, this is the definition for minerals. Minerals means the things which we can extract from under layers of earth. Okay. Have you heard about the minerals, or have you seen the minerals? Okay. Now let us see the minerals which are present around us. Okay. Now let us see minerals in our houses. What are the different types of minerals which are present in our home? Okay. Suppose if you see in our house, the walls are constructed. Okay. If you see around your house, the walls are constructed with the help of bricks, and the bricks are combined together and form a walls with the help of cement and sand. Okay. And if you again see the walls of your house, the walls whitewashed with the lime. The walls whitewashed with the white lime, and the floor of the house is paved with the granite, and pillars also is paved with the granite marble, or granite marbles are granite. Okay, in this way, all these are the things like minerals. Okay, these are the minerals. Okay, suppose if you see in our house, we can see so many minerals in our houses that are, suppose like the minerals in house that are mud bricks. Bricks are made up of with mud bricks, lime, marbles, granite. Okay, these are the different types of minerals which we can see in our houses. Okay, suppose if you go around your house and if you see the minerals, if you search for minerals, generally we can see so many metals which are belongs to minerals, that are, we can see the iron, copper, bronze, and etc. Okay, these are the different types of metals which are belongs to minerals. These are also extracted from under the layers of the earth. Okay, and suppose if you see the ornaments, the metals which we are wearing on our human body, that are the silver and gold ornaments which we are wearing, those metals also extracting from under the layers of the earth. Okay, silver, we are using silver and gold as the ornaments which we are using for the purpose of wearing. Okay, these are also belongs to minerals. Okay, if you see around us in our home, mud bricks are made up of with underlays of the earth, and lime, marbles and granite are coming from the underlays of the earth. Like metals like iron, copper, bronze, these are also coming from the underlays of the earth. And the metals which we are wearing, that are silver and gold, these are also come from the underlays of the earth. Along with this, suppose if you see The minerals are the fuels like kerosene, the fuels like petrol, kerosene, diesel. Okay, these are also fuels which are coming from under layers of the earth. These are belongs to minerals. Okay, along with us, with these, the another form of fuels that are coal and gas. These are also another form of fuels which we are getting from under layers of the earth. Okay, in our surroundings, without minerals, the human being is nothing. Okay, like mud bricks, lime, marbles, granite, iron, copper. These are the metals, and these are the fuels. Metals, metallic minerals, and fuels. Okay, these are the different types of minerals which we can see around us. Okay, along with that, the water which we are getting from under layers of the earth, like from wells or tubules, that is also a mineral. Okay, the water from wells and tube wells. Even the water is also having so many dissolved minerals, so many dissolved salts. So water is also one of the mineral which we can see in our daily life. Okay, these are the so many minerals which we can see in our daily lives. Okay, these are all coming from under layers of the earth. So the materials are the things which can extract from under layers of the earth. They are called minerals. Okay, that is the perfect definition of minerals, and these are the so many examples for the minerals which we can see around us in our daily life. Okay, now let us see the classification of these minerals and classification of these resources. These mineral resources are mostly non-renewable. Okay, now let us see the classification of resources. Generally, the resources can be classified by environmentalists as the renewable resources and the non-renewable resources. Renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Okay, now let us see the renewable resources. Okay, what is meant by renewable resources and what is meant by non-renewable resources. Okay, here we see renewable resources. For example, if you like wood is a renewable resources. Suppose if you take wood from the forest, suppose if you plant another plant, suppose if you plant another tree, then it will give the wood for the after some years. But suppose if you use the rocks, or if you use the rocks to convert into the marbles or to convert into the floor, then can we plant another rock there in the mines? Okay, it is not possible there. Okay, now let us see the renewable resources. Renewable resources is nothing but the resources which can regenerate. The resources which can regenerate itself, they are called renewable resources. The things resources which can regenerate. The things, okay, resources which can regenerate by itself, they are called renewable resources. For example, suppose if you like wood, for example, wood. This is the best example of best example of renewable resource. Why? Because suppose if you take a wood from forest, then if you plant a tree in the forest, after some years the tree again gives the same amount of wood. Okay, in this way, the renewable resources, it means the resources which can do regeneration, which can regenerate by itself, then they are called renewable resources. Okay, now let us see non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources means, suppose if you take marbles from the granite factory or the granite quarry, can we plant a rock at there? Okay, we cannot plant any rock at there. Suppose if you drill all the mountain there, if you drill all the rocks, useful rocks in the mines or useful rocks in the quarries, can we plant them again? We cannot plant them again. Okay, if you use them completely, they cannot be regenerated. So the resources which cannot regenerate by itself, they are called as non-renewable resources. Okay, here we go. The non-renewable resources, that are the resources which cannot regenerate, they are called non-renewable resources or finite resources. These are also called as finite resources. Okay, one of the best example for the finite resources, the minerals are coming under to the non-renewable resources. Okay, for example, the best example for non-renewable resources is minerals. Minerals are the best examples of non-renewable resources. Why? Because if you use the minerals continuously till the end, then we cannot regenerate them again. Okay, that is why the best example for non-renewable resource is the minerals. Okay, all minerals are belongs to under the non-renewable resources. That is why we have to conserve the minerals and we have to reduce the use of excessive fuels and we have to reduce the excessive natural gases. Okay, it will give the conservation of these minerals, gives the chance to use for the future generations. Okay, for example, how the minerals will be end. Okay, the only gold mines in India that are Kolar gold fields. Okay, for the gold mining, the only gold mines in India that are Kolar gold fields. Now they had been closed down. It means all the gold would be mined from the Kolar gold fields. That is why it is now closed down. Why? Because there is no gold reserves. That is why we have to conserve the non-renewable resources. We have to reduce the excessive use of the non-renewable resources. Okay, the only gold mine in India, it is gold Kolar fields. Now it would be closed down. Why? Because there is no gold reserves at that place. Okay, this is the reason, and all the minerals should be belongs to the non-renewable resources. Suppose like this, if you use the excessive fuels or if you use the excessive fuels like petroleum or gases, then we cannot regenerate them again, and we may get the benefits. We may not get the benefits after the end of these non-renewable resources. That's why we have to conserve the non-renewable resources. Okay. In the next class, we will see about some of the minerals, metals, and their uses. Thank you, children.